When it comes to choosing the best VPN for your specific needs, CyberGhost VPN and Hide Me VPN are two popular options that come up frequently. But which one should you pick? If you're a frequent traveler looking for the best VPN for the job, CyberGhost might seem like the obvious choice. However, Hide Me offers an intriguing proposition as the best free VPN for those who want solid privacy protection without spending a dime. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about these two, from pricing to performance, so you can make an informed decision on which is the best fit for your needs. First off, let's talk about CyberGhost VPN. It's known for being user-friendly with a strong focus on travel, providing servers in over 90 countries worldwide. This means whether you're in Asia, Europe, or South America, CyberGhost ensures that you'll have fast and secure access no matter where you go. But here's the catch: while CyberGhost excels in server locations and usability, it's not the cheapest option, especially if you're looking for a budget solution. It's also worth noting that although it has strong privacy features, its speeds can sometimes be inconsistent, especially when connecting to servers farther from your location. But if you're willing to pay a little extra for convenience and global reach, CyberGhost is a solid option for frequent travelers. Next thing, Hide Me VPN positions itself as one of the best free VPN options available, which could be a game changer for users on a tight budget. You get solid encryption, no logs policy, and 10 gigabytes of free data each month, which is quite generous for a free service. However, the free version does come with limitations. For example, you can only use a limited number of servers, and your connection speed may be slower than with premium options. But if you're someone who needs basic VPN protection without paying for it, Hide Me is an excellent choice. Just keep in mind that for more advanced features and additional server locations, you'll need to upgrade to the paid version. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. CyberGhost VPN is a winner here. Its apps are designed to be extremely intuitive, which makes it perfect for beginners and frequent travelers who just want to connect and forget about it. Hide Me, while also easy to use, doesn't quite match the polish and simplicity of CyberGhost's interface. Hide Me does offer detailed customization options for those who are more tech-savvy, but it can be a bit overwhelming for users who just want a quick connection. Another crucial point is security. Both VPNs offer strong encryption, but CyberGhost gives you more advanced features like ad blocking, malware protection, and even the ability to block malicious websites. Hide Me is also secure, but these additional features come only with its paid version, which could be a deal breaker for some. That said, Hide Me still does a good job at protecting your online privacy with its no-logs policy and secure encryption, but it lacks the extra security features that CyberGhost provides, especially when traveling. Now let's touch on speed. CyberGhost VPN offers good speeds overall, but as I mentioned earlier, the speeds can dip depending on which server you choose. On the flip side, Hide Me speeds are generally decent, but the free version can be sluggish, especially when trying to access content-heavy sites or stream videos. If you're constantly on the go and need a VPN that won't slow you down, CyberGhost might be the better option, despite the occasional speed hiccup. At this point, you might be thinking both CyberGhost and Hide Me have their pros and cons, and they're both good for specific use cases. But after trying both myself, I think there's an even better alternative out there that takes everything these two offer to the next level, especially if you're a frequent traveler. If you're interested in a better option that gives you the best of both worlds, top-tier security, lightning-fast speeds, and a generous free trial, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out, click it now.